All right, so children, today, right, we'll be doing the last question from last week. All right, this question, right, the graphical method, we haven't finished yet because I was talking so much. All right, I was giving out the notes until I never finished this question. I'm so sorry. All right, so today we must finish the work from last week first. Then we go into today's work. So today, right, mainly we are doing something called substitution and elimination method. All right, this is from last week's work. Let me finish our last week's lesson first. All right, so down here, right, children, just to let you know, in order to have a graphical method, right, in order to draw graph, right, what happens? All right, you need something called what? You need something called points in order to draw. All right, you need something called points in order to draw the graph. All right, so we have this 2x plus 3y equal to 17. All right, and in order to draw this graph, right, it's actually a straight line. How do I know it's a straight line, children? How do I know it's a straight line? I see a x to the power of 1 down here. It means it's a straight line. Got y, got x means it's a straight line. All right, got y, got x means it's a straight line. All right, but in order to draw the straight line, what do I need? In order to draw a straight line, I need points. I need CPR, remember not? All right, so I need points. So down here, I need to open up 4 columns. All right. Okay, so down here, I need to open up 4 columns. We have the x and the y. All right, but children, if you put it as 2x plus 3y equal to 17, right, it's a little bit hard to suck into your calculator. It's a little bit hard to suck into your calculator. So my advice to you is try to always put it in the format of y equal to mx plus c. All right, so y equal to mx plus c is what we did last week. All right, y equal to mx plus c is what we did last week. Remember the y and the x. All right, this means that it's a straight line. All right, this means that it's a straight line already. Okay, the y and the x means it's a straight line. The m actually represents the gradient. And the c actually represents the y-intercept. Okay? Children who just came in, all right, children who just came in, all right, just to let you know that I am doing the one last question from worksheet 1. So worksheet 1, right? All right, worksheet 1, question number 2 is a graphical question. So I didn't manage to do that question last week. I'm so sorry. All right, so today we must finish this question before we go into worksheet 2. All right. It's nice to see all of you coming in at this time. Good. You see, people are still coming in. Wait, All right. All right. So, children, so let me finish up with my worksheet 1, question 2 first. All right. So, in order to draw a graph, all right, what do I need? All right. Ultimately, I need something called CPR. Lah. What is CPR? All right. Last week I talked about it. C stands for coordinates. All right. I need coordinates. I need a pencil and I need a ruler. Basically, CPR means coordinates, pencil, and ruler. So this is the equation that's given to me, 2x plus 3y equal to 17. But I want to manipulate a little bit. I want to manipulate this equation such that my y is on the left-hand side and my other things, right, is on the right-hand side. All right, I want to try to manipulate this equation into something easy for me. So what do I do? Look, children. The 3y, I hold it down. This is a plus 2x. Plus 2x, I bring across the equal sign, will give me a minus 2x. The 17 is a plus 17. Can you see that? But I want y. I want a y. Okay, y. So how do you get rid of the 3? You have to divide by 3. So down here, you have to write minus 2 divided by 3 x plus 17 divided by 3. Can you see that? So this 3y, right? This 3y, right? This 3, you want to bring it across to the other side. Means that every individual must divide by 3. Every individual must divide by 3. All right. So from here, this equation, I managed to put it in this particular format. Why do I put it in this particular format? Let me tell you why. All right, minus 2 over 3 x plus 17 over 3. All right. So at this moment, children, at this moment, right, I need you to take out your calculator. All right, I need you to take out your calculator. All right. So what can your x be? All right. So you can actually key into your calculator. Children, key into your calculator with me. Negative 2 over 3. So you key in negative 2 over 3. Open a bracket. Sorry. Negative 2 over 3. Press the right button. Open a bracket. Then maybe you key in a negative 1. Close bracket. Plus 17 over 3. Press equal. Right. Plus 17 over 3. You press equal. It will give you a 19 over 3. Over 3, very hard to draw graph one. Very hard to draw graph. You want to try to have a whole number. All right, children. Now press with me. Press the back button. Press the back button. You know the back button? The back button. You know the back button? This one. Press the back button. Press back. Change the -1. Press the delete button. Change to a 2. Press equal. Woohoo! All right. So if down here -2 will give you a 7. Nice number. Understand not, children? You understand not? So your this part is in your calculator, right? Your this box is in your calculator, right? Can you see not? Like that, it's in your calculator. All right. So you just got to change the number inside the bracket only. Okay, come. So you got one, you got one of the numbers already. Now continue to press back. All right, go put it inside here. All right, so that you're inside here. So that your arrow is inside here. All right. Then you delete away the -2. Now you try a 0. Put a 0. Press equal. If you put a 0 inside, you get 17 over 3. Yee! I don't like. So you try to get a whole number. Come. Back. Get rid of the 0. Now you put a 1. Oh, nice. All right. If x is a 1, your y is a 5. Can you see not? That's the reason why I want to put it in this format. So that I can key the calculator. I key the calculator as negative 2/3. Open bracket. So you just got to change the things inside the bracket only. Understand not, children? So it'll be faster. Okay, I need another number. Back. Delete. Okay, now maybe I choose the number 3. Press equal. Yee! If I put the number 3 inside, it's 11 over 3. I don't like fraction. Okay, back. Nikki say 4. All right, let's try 4. Delete. Press 4. Whoa, nice. Yes. Answer is a 3 down here. Can you see not? Children, you understand what I'm trying to do or not? I'm trying to make your calculator work for you. But when you put it in this format, it's very hard to substitute. All right. Can we try another one? All right, let me try another one from scratch. For those who just came in, you're still a little bit lost. All right, children, come. All right, this particular question is from worksheet 1. Question number 2. Last week, I didn't finish this question. All right. I need to use graphical method to solve the simultaneous equation. Graphical method means I need to use my graph paper. I need to draw lines and look for the intersection. But before that, in order to draw the lines, I need to use my equation to find out some points. All right. I need the points in order to plot it out to draw the line. Correct or not? Correct. So I have one set of points ready from one equation. Next is this one. 6x minus 5y equal to 9. But if you put it like that, right, it's very hard to put into your calculator. It's very difficult to put in your calculator. So my advice to you is to try to make it into the format of y equal to mx plus c. All right, make the y on the left. Hey, but down here, my y is a negative. Okay. Don't put yourself in shitty situation. Oops, sorry. All right, but it's true. Do not put yourself in shitty situation. What do? You have the freedom to move the minus 5y across. Do you know that? If you move the minus 5y across, you get a positive 5y. Isn't this nice? Your 6x is still down here. Your plus 9 you bring across, minus 9. Can you see not? 6x minus 9 equal to 5y is the same as 5y equal to 6x minus 9. Cannot. Don't put yourself in shitty situation. Now, you want to find y alone. You want to find y alone. What must you do? Right? Down here, right, you have to divide by 5. Down here is a times 5. Everybody, if you want to get rid of the 5, you must divide by 5. You must divide by 5. All right? And your y is there. Your equal sign is here. Your x is here. And your minus is still here. Can you see it? So you purposely put it in this arrangement. What is this arrangement called? This is called the y equal to mx plus c arrangement. Okay? Then you can draw your box already, lor. All right, then you can draw your box already. And now you can try to think of some values of x to substitute in. All right, think of some values of x to substitute in. Again, what do you do, children? Use your calculator wisely. Use your calculator because you want to get some nice number, right? All right, this one over 5 will give you a disgusting number if you choose wrongly. Choose the right number. Come, press with me. Go to your calculator. Press with me. Press 6 over 5. Press the right button. Open a bracket. All right, maybe you can choose. Maybe down here is minus 2, right? On top is minus 2. Let's choose negative 1, close bracket. All right, then put minus 9 over 5. Press your calculator. After you close bracket, minus 9 over 5. Eee! You put minus, I put minus 1. I put minus 1. Put minus 1 is minus 3. Good job. Good job. It's a nice number. So down here, I use minus 1. I thought I want to use minus 2. Sorry. So I use minus 1 down here. I get a minus 3. Nice. Good job. All right. I want a nice number. I want a solid integer. Right? Okay, come, children. Now you go press the back button. Right? Delete away the minus 1. Press the delete button. Right? Now can you try maybe the number 2? Press 2. Press equal. Easy. If you put a 2 inside, right, you get a 3 over 5. All right, 3 over 5, very hard. Very difficult. So how? Back. Just try. All right, and down here, maybe I put a 4. Yes, nice number. All right, if I put a 4 down here, I get a 3 down here. Can you see not, children? So I try to avoid using fractions to plot the point. Very difficult to plot. All right, so you have the choice. But you must try to arrange in this format first. The y equal to mx plus c format first. So that you'll be able to substitute in your calculator easier. Press back. Get rid of the 4. All right, now maybe you can try a number. All right, maybe you can try number 7. Cannot? 7. Ugly. Change the 7 to 8. Ugly. Change the 8 to 9. Nice. Can you see not, children? Just keep trying. Try and error. You understand not? My objective is to have nice numbers so that drawing will be easier. Okay? So now I have all these points ready. What can I do? Draw lah. But before that, you need to plan. Children, in Sec 1, right, your teacher always say the y-axis is in the center. The x-axis is in the center. But welcome to Sec 2. This is not true anymore. All right, Sec 2, not every time is in the center one. You must do some planning. The question never give you anything much. Never mind. All right, you are free to do what you need. Look at the smallest number. For x is minus 2. The biggest number is a 9. All right, I need to do some planning. Can this be like minus 2? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not enough. So I need to make it smaller. All right, maybe 1 cm to 1 unit. All right, so maybe I can call this 0 already. I think can. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, very tight. Okay, but okay. All right, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, so maybe I move everything to the left a bit. All right, maybe I call this 0. So that I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. 9 is here. And this is minus 1, minus 2 is here. Okay, so this is called planning. So at the 0 mark, is where you draw your y-axis. Children, this is called planning. All right, don't everything draw in the center one. All right, don't draw everything in the center. It's not in Sec 1 already. Okay, now let's look at the y. Y, my smallest number is a minus 3. My biggest number is 9. Oh my goodness. All right. So if I